Hey, beautiful girls, did you know that millions struggle with skin issues? From acne to dryness, achieving smooth, radiant skin can feel elusive, but you don't need expensive creams or harsh chemicals. Ever wished for a natural, effective way to transform your skin? We're diving into natural remedies for smooth, glowing skin. Simple home remedies with incredible skin loving properties. Say goodbye to blemishes and uneven skin tone. Let's get started. All right, guys, let's start with a simple yet incredibly effective remedy, the sugar scrub. This is a game changer for achieving smooth and radiant skin. What I love about sugar is that it acts as a natural exfoliant, gently lifting away those dead skin cells that can make your complexion look dull and uneven. Now, here's the key: combine sugar with a nourishing oil, like coconut oil. Coconut oil is not only incredibly moisturizing, but also packed with antioxidants that help protect and nourish your skin. Simply mix equal parts sugar and coconut oil, gently massage onto your skin in circular motions, and rinse off with warm water. The results: instantly brighter, smoother, and baby soft skin. You'll be amazed by how effective this simple scrub can be. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Next up, we're talking about the incredible duo honey and oatmeal. This mask is a godsend, especially if you struggle with acne, inflammation, or redness. Oatmeal, my friends, is a skincare superhero. It's incredibly soothing and calming, making it perfect for sensitive or irritated skin. And honey, don't even get me started. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, keeping your skin hydrated and plump. But here's the best part: honey also possesses powerful antibacterial properties that help combat acne-causing bacteria. To make this magical mask, mix together 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Apply a thin layer to your face. Let it work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. Chapter 3: Aloe Vera, Nature's Soothing Elixir for Happy Skin. Aloe vera is a true gift from nature for skincare, known for its soothing and healing properties. It cools and calms irritation or redness. Great for sunburn, acne, or sensitive skin. Use fresh gel or organic aloe vera products. Ensure it's free of added fragrances. Apply a thin layer to clean skin. Use as a spot treatment or moisturizer. Your skin will feel soothed and refreshed. Chapter 4: Oil Pulling, the Ancient Secret to Clear and Radiance. Skin. Now for our final remedy, we're diving into the ancient practice of oil pulling. You might be thinking, oil pulling, for my skin, trust me on this one. Oil pulling involves swishing oil around in your mouth for a certain period. It helps draw out toxins and impurities from your mouth, which can contribute to skin issues like acne and inflammation. By removing these toxins, you're giving your skin a chance to heal. Put a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and swish it around for 15 to 20 minutes. Don't swallow. Spit it out and rinse your mouth thoroughly with warm water. And there you have it: 4 incredibly effective, all-natural remedies to help you achieve smooth, radiant skin. From the exfoliating power of sugar to the soothing embrace of aloe vera, these remedies harness the power of nature to transform your skin from the inside out. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results with natural remedies. Make these remedies a part of your weekly skincare routine, and I promise you'll start noticing a difference in your skin's texture, tone, and overall health. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful.